Ang sublimation large format na DT Dumaguete ay nagamit na 6 na araw. Ito po yung printer head area, capping, head clean, purasan ng wiper pagkatapos mag head clean, nozzle test after head clean, waste ang system tama lang, ground wire, EVR, waste tank tilinis lang po ito every Tuesday. Ito naman yung stock namin na SIM-YK. Ito naman yung subli paper, daily output record namin sa system, consumable withdrawals namin sa system, weekly physical inventory namin sa system. Ito naman yung ICC profile namin, yan lang po.